It was so satisfying the first time being able to take it out in the field, roll it out, turn it on, nice gentle mist right there. Hi, I'm Chanterelle Voigtman from Wetterfrosch Farm Tools.
And I'm Philip Swartz from Wetterfrosch Farm Tools.
And this is the Sumisansui Japanese Irrigation. This is the Mark II model with the hose connector kit.
Yeah, imported directly from Japan.
I first encountered Sumisansui when I was traveling in New Zealand and working on farms there, and thought that when I came home and started my farm, that's what I would use to irrigate. I discovered that it was not available here, so we went with different options for many, many years. Occasionally dreaming and wishing for the Sumisansui. It was almost a running joke. Every year I'd be like, we want the Sumisansui. So then I met you and you made it happen.
Yeah, she mentioned it to me a couple times. I looked online, couldn't really find it very easily. So through some social networking, I was connected with the manufacturer in Japan, and we started importing the product to our farm 3 seasons ago, and we've been doing testing and trialing and adapting to American irrigation systems since then.
Yeah, and it's as awesome as I remember. It was so satisfying the first time being able to take it out in the field, roll it out, turn it on, nice gentle mist right there. It's super good for irrigating, super good for germinating crops, especially small seeded crops. It's really gentle on transplants. And it's also really nice to take to different areas of the farm where maybe you don't have permanent irrigation and you want to establish cover crops or something like that, because you can just bring it there and water and then take it out when you're done. So.
And we've adapted it to integrate very easily with standard irrigation systems, including drip tape. It operates within the parameters of drip tape pressure and flow, and we offer the Garden Hose Connect Kit to make it super easy to hook up, but we also offer other connection types to integrate with drip tape. So what we have on the table today is the Sumisansui Mark II full kit. These components over here are imported from Japan. This is a winder and bobbin system with a crank to easily deploy and move the irrigation tube from location to location on your farm. This small piece is a tube stopper that's designed to stop the flow of water in the tube at any point so that you can customize the length based on the length of your beds that you're watering. This is our garden hose adapter kit. And we took the Sumisansui start connector and we've adapted it to national pipe threads. This kit makes it very easy to attach the Sumisansui to a garden hose, so anybody can run it off of pretty much any water source. It has a brass hose swivel, a plastic filter with stainless steel screen inside, a 12 psi pressure regulator, and then the start connector that hooks to the Sumisansui tube. So to set this up on your farm, you would put the Sumisansui tube onto the winder system. It's a very simple design, but it works quite well. The Sumisansui tube gets threaded through this little roller down here, and that's important because it helps direct where the tube is laid out in the field, and when you roll up, this roller will squeeze out the water that's left in the tube. To begin, you connect the Sumisansui tube to the start connector by sliding it over, and then sliding this little retaining ring down over the tube until it locks in place on the tapered rubber piece under there. And it's just a nice, snug friction fit. And then you can hook up your garden hose to the swivel, roll out the tube to the desired length. And when you reach the point where you want to cut off the water flow, that's where you can insert the tube stopper. There's a couple different ways to do it, but essentially you fold the tube, you pinch it, and then slide it through the slit, take the little plastic bar and put that through the fold, and then pull the tube back snug. And when you've done that, it looks like this. When you pressurize the tube, that will pinch off the water flow at the point where you've installed the tube stopper.
Yeah, and then when you're done using it, you just disconnect, drain the water, and roll it back up.
The Sumisansui tube is made out of high-density polyethylene, and it is designed for multi-season use. It is super durable. We highly recommend the winder system for deploying it, winding it up, and making it easy to store away in this compact package. You can put it in a tote when you're done with it at the end of the season and keep it protected from potential damage. The garden hose connect kit is also super durable, high quality components. The flow rate ranges from a couple gallons per minute up to 11 gallons per minute, depending on the length of the tube that's being deployed. The mist, the overhead irrigation mist that it produces is very fine droplets, so they're great for germinating seeds, watering in transplants, seedlings, that kind of thing, without crusting the soil. So with other overhead irrigation systems, the droplets can be large, and that kind of can pound the soil, pound the seedlings, and can stratify the top layer of soil so that the clays kind of come to the top and crust over when it dries, which can create a difficult time for seedlings to poke through.
Yeah, it also sprays in a rectangular pattern and very uniform. So that fits in very well with most bed layouts. So this is the Sumisansui Mark II full kit, and it's now available on Tilmor.com and through Wetterfresh Farm Tools. So just reach out if you have any questions. We'd love to answer them.